In the late 19th century, Iran found itself at a crossroads, struggling between modernization and foreign influence. Today, we're exploring one of Iran's most pivotal events, the tobacco protest of 1890, a moment that profoundly shaped Iranian identity, nationalism, and resistance against foreign exploitation. In the late 1800s, Iran, then known as Persia, was governed by Nasir al-Din Shah of the Qajar Dynasty. It was a time when European powers aggressively sought economic and political influence across Asia. The Qajar dynasty, facing severe financial crises, often turned to European powers for loans and investments. This set the stage for one of the era's most controversial decisions, the tobacco concession. In 1890, Nasir al-Din Shah granted an exclusive monopoly over the production, sale and export of tobacco to British businessman Major Gerald Talbot and his Imperial Tobacco Company. This deal effectively handed British companies control over Iran's entire tobacco industry. For Iranians, tobacco wasn't just another product, it was integral to their economy and social life. Farmers, merchants and clerics saw this concession as a humiliating surrender of sovereignty to foreign interests. Resistance was swift. Leading clerics, particularly Grand Ayatollah Mirza Hasan Shirazi, strongly opposed the monopoly. Shirazi issued a historic fatwa, a religious decree, that dramatically declared tobacco usage forbidden under these oppressive conditions. This fatwa sparked an unprecedented wave of national unity, spreading swiftly across Iran. Overnight, Iranians, from merchants to the aristocracy, from urban elites to rural villagers, boycotted tobacco entirely. The boycott proved devastatingly effective. Iranian cities witnessed widespread protests, bazaars shut down, and the government's finances suffered drastically. Realizing the severity of unrest, Nasir al-Din Shah attempted to suppress the movement using force and intimidation. However, public sentiment and unified resistance made repression ineffective. Faced with mounting economic losses, popular discontent and pressures from influential clerics, the Shah had no choice. In January 1892, the tobacco concession was cancelled. Following the cancellation of the concession, the Qajar government had to pay £500,000 as compensation. For Nasir al-Din Shah, the protest left him both financially handicapped and publicly humiliated. The concession exposed weaknesses and corruption within the Qajar government, fueling dissatisfaction among Iranians. Ultimately, this distrust weakened the legitimacy of the dynasty, contributing to its later decline. The protest had far-reaching consequences. Not only did it temporarily curtail foreign influence, but it also set the stage for future nationalist movements, most notably the Iranian Constitutional Revolution of 1906. The involvement of influential clerics like Mirza Hasan Shirazi strengthened the political role of the Shia clergy in Iran. This set a precedent for clerical leadership in later political movements, solidifying their influence in society. The tobacco protest was one of many reasons that led to the downfall of the Qajar dynasty and the rise of Pahlavi Dynasty in 1925. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned for more historical explorations on our channel.